afternoon, friends. I'm here to discuss our switch call from Infosys to TCS. In the month of December 2011, we came out with our recommendation to switch from Infosys to TCS. At that time, it was quite a contrarian call, given that the market participant was generally favoring the Infosys over TCS. But our call till date in the last 4 months has given a positive return of close to 16%. And if we look at the recent quarterly numbers for March quarter, there is a quite contrast to both the company numbers. TCS, wherein has outperformed the parameters across the verticals, wherein the Infosys has continued to disappoint the market with a weak set of numbers. TCS has volume growth of 3.3%, which was way ahead of the market expectation as well as our expectation, wherein we have seen a 1.5% volume degrowth for Infosys. And it was in the last 4 quarters, the average volume growth of Infosys was 2.4%, which was quite lower to 3.5% volume growth seen in the TCS. Wherein if we look at the Infosys, the management commentary was quite weak, and they have came out with a subdued guidance of 8 to 10% for FY13, which was even lower than the NESCOM growth guidance of 11 to 14% for FY13. And that too, the management is expecting the growth to happen in the fag end of the fiscal. And if you look at the TCS management commentary, which was quite affirmative, they are comfortably saying that they are going to grow beyond the NESCOM growth guidance of 11 to 14%. And it does provide comfort to us to recommend TCS over Infosys. And when we look at the human resources, TCS management has guided for 50,000 gross addition in the headcount for FY13, and they are going ahead with their usual pay hike for FY13, wherein Infosys management has said that they are deferring their wage hike and they are going to hire 35,000 employees for FY13, which was quite contrast, and it gave us comfort in the TCS vis-a-vis Infosys. Going forward, if we look at the coming quarters, TCS is better placed to give us a better predictable earning growth in the coming quarters, wherein Infosys, with its weak earning profile, is likely to disappoint further in the coming quarters. After this recent run-up in the stock price of the TCS, which is up 12% today, and Infosys has corrected almost 20% in the last 1 month, we believe that there is a near-term cap to our switch call, which we have initiated in the month of December. However, there is still some steam left in the call, and we continue to prefer TCS over Infosys in the next 12 months. Thank you.